Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. First off, please excuse my voice. I'm suffering with ear infections and allergies and my throat is just not quite right, which is a normal thing for me. I'm always apologizing for always having a scruffy voice. But anyways, that's neither here nor there. Let's get to Boxyluxe. Yes, Boxyluxe June 2019 box. For anyone that doesn't know what Boxyluxe is, you first have to know what Boxycharm is. Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription where you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. Yes, full-size beauty products. That includes your shipping cost in that $21. These products will be based on your beauty quiz, and the value of the box will be at least $100. Once you become a charmer, you can then every 3 months or once a quarter subscribe to Boxyluxe, which is my favorite. Boxyluxe will cost you $49.99 every quarter. You will get this box instead of your Boxycharm box. And you'll receive 8 to 10 full-size beauty items. These will be based on your beauty quiz. And the value of this box will be at least $250. Now, we're getting 9 products in our June 2019 box, and the value of that box will be at least $340. Can you do better than that with $49.99? If you're on a budget and want to get some high-end beauty products, this is the way. I don't know any other beauty subscription that gives you so much for your value. But first, let's get into what the products are so far, the sneak peeks that we have so far in our June box. Sneak peek number 1 is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. This cleanser is worth $35. Waterproof makeup, stubborn sunscreen, and pesky pollution have met their match with this prebiotic yogurt cleanser that promotes a healthy skin pH and a strengthened skin barrier as it dissolves both water and all base impurities for a next level cleansing for all skin types. Okay, our second sneak peek is from Tarte. Now it is $4.25 and I still have not gotten my email from Boxycharm, so I don't know that. I will get to pick which one I want, but let me show you this short little clip here.
Charmers, you have until today, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, to upgrade to Boxyluxe to have the opportunity to select between a Tarte face palette or a Boxycharm exclusive.
Did y'all see the color of that second palette? Every picture makes it look different. I mean, the top 2 rows look more colorful now. So, and of course, what I found out is looking at the 2 palettes here, this is what it's going to look like when they do give you your option on your email. It's going to be the Tarte Pro Glow and Blush Cheek palette. And the second one, which it looks different here to me than in the video. It's an exclusive Tarte Boxy palette. It was made for them. It's called the Glow Cheek palette. So, I just think in every picture that palette looks so different. But anyways, when you get your email, you're going to get to pick from either a face palette or the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is supposed to have 5 mattes and 2 shimmers. And you can have a look at it here. It's kind of a neutral type palette. Nothing special to me. I've seen this before a million times. I personally like the cheek palettes better, but everybody has their own preference. I wasn't too impressed with the Rainforest of the Sea other palettes they gave us. It just seems like they need to do something different in those palettes, some different colors or something. But anyways, you get to pick from those 2 Personally, I have 2 Boxyluxes that I purchased. I'm going to pick, probably if I get the email, I'll pick a face palette in one and the eyeshadow in the other, just to change it up, to have both. But there are your choices for the second sneak peek. Your third sneak peek is from Pharmacy Beauty. It's the Honeymoon Glow. This face oil will be great if you have dry skin. This is for all skin types. This is a fast absorbing face oil that is very lightweight, that delivers intense hydration while helping to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This oil has so many different things in it that are really just great for your skin. If you're not including a facial oil in your skincare regimen, now would be the time to include it with this oil. Now, this oil can be used not just on the face. You can apply it to your face or in targeted areas of the body that need hydration. You can also work it through your hair to help flyaways, and you can blend with your foundation for a dewy glow. Just keep that in mind. Moving on to sneak peek number 4 is by PYT, the Mini On-the-Go Dryer. This sells for $65. Every time I hear of this company, PYT, I think of that song back in the day called PYT, Pretty Young Thing. I know some of you might know what I'm talking about. But anyways, this blow dryer comes in pink, purple, blue, and coral. It's a powerful and portable blow dryer that comes with 2 attachments, a diffuser, and one to have the airflow concentrated on your hair in one spot. Sneak peek number 5 comes from the brand Living Proof, and it's from their line that's called Full. The Full line transforms fine flat hair to look and feel like it's naturally thicker by using patented technology that gives you the lasting, revivable fullness you've always wanted. And you'll have a choice of 2 items from this line. This first product is the Dry Volume Blast. And what it does, it's a styling spray that creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. Now they have different sizes. This second product, the Full Thickening Cream, is a lightweight styling cream that adds thickness with a hint of conditioning for natural, long-lasting body and fullness. So this is similar, but I think this would be a little bit heavier, but it says it's for fine hair. It makes it look and feel thicker. So, and it also delivers fullness and thickness that lasts 5 times longer. It's long-lasting, touchable body, fullness, and thickness. This would work good in actually curly hair, I think. Yes, and the cost on this one, the travel size is $16, and the full size is 3.7 ounces, and it sells for $28.
But everything, you have to plan yourself for success. You have to do it right. Logistics is not a simple business, so it's going to take some time, but we'll get there.
That's all my questions.
Perfect. So,
And you answered all of them?
I answered all my questions. Do I get an A or something? So you could show my parents.
A++.
That'll be good. Please send.
Okay, this was a little question and answer session Joe had with Boxy Preview, and right at that point where I stopped it, as you can see, I've blown it up a lot. You can see some products in the background. Now, what they're saying, they think this product is, it's from the Touch and Soul line. It's the Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Water. This sells for $23 for 1.01 ounces. What it is a biphase multi-oil with Bulgarian damask rose oil and rose water. It helps dry skin immediately, moisturize and vitalize, making the skin perfectly ready for makeup. I know a lot of people like that no problem primer that we received in our boxes, so this product is probably going to be an awesome product if we ever get it. This is just a sneak peek, ladies. You know how that goes. We may not see this for months. We may see it as one of the Boxyluxe products, but this here is just a sneak peek. Is, you know, when we see these products behind them, you never know when they'll be out. So, now there was also, they seen some lashes from Lily Lashes, they think behind him on Boxycharm Latinx, but we already get lashes in a lot of things. That's why I didn't get the picture and show you any of that. It's not a new sneak peek. I think we can get lashes at any time. So, and we've gotten lashes a lot this year so far. And that is all I have for you guys today. What do you think about our box so far? I want to remind everybody about our 10,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now. Make sure you comment. I have all the rules and regulations listed below. And here's a little sneak peek of one of the prizes. Yes, it's the Natasha Denona Biba palette. Oh my God, will you just look at all the mattes in this palette? I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So I hope you get excited by seeing this one prize. I have several in so far, so when I get them all in, I'm going to do a video so you can see everything I have so far. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. And if you liked my video, please give me a like. And until next time, bye.